Hi there, everyone. This is James from Digital First Aid. I thought today I could take you through something that we get asked about a lot, which is Google Ads. Are they any good? Should I be doing them, etc., etc.? The answer is yes, they are very good. Depends, though, if you have any keyword research done previously. So if you've got keyword research done and you know what search terms you're actually looking for and what to optimize for, and that's something that would be done typically by a marketing agency, then that's really good to use those to kind of rank on Google. So getting into Google Ads, making an account is really quite easy. You can actually do that yourself and then have either run it yourself or have a marketing agency do it for you. So this is Grow Your Business with Google Ads. So you sign in there. I'm just going to do a fake one for now, just to show you how to do it. So call my business James Is Awesome. It's, like I say, it's a fake one, doesn't really matter. So we'll use my own private blog for this, just so we don't link to anything else. And then it will go through your business and then look at it and have suggestions for how it should look and how you should optimize for words as well. So that now you can actually choose your goal. So do you want to get more calls? Do you want to get more sales leads? Do you want people to actually visit your location? So here's already going to be important because it's going to kind of generate what type of language you use to get people doing what you want them to do, whether it's clicking or calling or whatever. So next, boom, now I can write my ad. So this is a bit of an unusual suggestion, but it's just going to be some thoughts about what I could do. I'm going to do James' blog, and you can see here that headline is your main title, so it might be your website. So my website's for James. And then I've got another headline, which is more of a call to action, brief or about him. And then you've got your descriptions down here, which are more in-depth descriptions about what you're doing. So this is what you'll see at the top of it at Google search when you type in shoes or first aid or anything. You get one of those pop-up ads first. So I think that's all right. Then I can choose my keywords. So do I want to go for those? These are the generated ones. It goes through your actual website and it gives you sort of ideas about what your keywords could be. And then you can add some more here or not add them, take them away. Again, if you're actually getting keywords from a marketing agency, go to SEO research, that's going to help that a lot more. Then I go, where am I? Because it's going to be really location based, but basically you want your keywords to be very location based, particularly if what you're doing is something that's going to be quite familiar to a lot of people. So I go New Zealand, right over the zip code right now. And then from here, it's where you enter your budget. So that tells you how many clicks you're going to get per month. Obviously, the more you spend, the more clicks you're going to get. So this is the basic rundown of how you can use Google Ads. You can give that to a marketing agency to run for you, and they can do all the sort of keyword research and optimization and finding out what people are looking for. Or you can always run it yourself. That's the kind of thing we want to promote here. This is all trying to teach you how to do this yourself, but when you can need the extra help or not, it depends on how you use it. So I hope that's useful for learning more about Google Ads. If you have any questions about it, if anything doesn't make sense, or you want to learn a bit more, please comment below, and let us know what you want to hear more about. Thank you, guys.